My name is Riley with Off Leash K9 Training in Canton. Here with me today is Cody. He is a 6-month-old golden retriever who just completed our 2-week board and train program. Cody is a really sweet guy, but almost a little too sweet. He loves people almost to a fault, and he just gets a little overexcited when he sees them. Since he has a pretty decent size, that makes him really hard for his owners to control even when he's not around people. He's just really excited, really bouncy. He was your typical golden retriever puppy. He was hard to walk on leash, he didn't listen well to commands, he jumped really bad on people. He was just generally hard to control. But also very typical of the golden retriever, he was super trainable, super interested and eager to learn, and did an awesome job in our program. Up next, I'm going to show you Cody on day 1 of our training, and then stick around for his awesome transformation after just 2 short weeks. Cody, can I get a kiss?
Thank you, buddy. You're such a good boy.
This is me and Cody when I first brought him out for the day. As you can see, he's super bouncy, and then when I do end up giving him some attention and affection, he leans into me so hard he actually pushes me backwards. When we start working on our commands, Cody does eventually do everything I ask him to, but it does take him a few tries. He's pretty distracted when I'm working on recall. He does sit when asked, and he will lay down as well. His owner did do a lot of really good work with him before coming to us, but he needed some help working around distractions. When working on place, which Cody didn't really know beforehand, he does a really good job getting on the object, but lacked impulse control and stability staying there. Like I said, Cody pulls really bad on leash. Here I'm being a lot more controlled with him than I normally would be, just because I was afraid of slipping and falling on all the ice.